crafters, 'tis the season, so we are making this Christmas tree ornament here. It's a super quick and easy one to do. So if you're looking for that something extra for your tree, it's a great one, and it also makes a great Christmas gift as well, since it's so fast to create. So with that, let's get crafting. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. For this project, you'll need some green yarn, some hemp thread, and some wooden beads, as well as a 5mm crochet hook, even though the yarn I chose to use says it needs a 6.5. I use a 5mm crochet hook, and you'll also need a tapestry needle. To begin this project, you're going to need to create a slip knot. Now you're going to chain 68, so you're going to pull a loop through 68 times. Once you're done all those chains, then we're going to double crochet into number 66. So yarn over and then insert your crochet hook into that 66 chain that you made. You're going to pull a loop through, pull through 2, and pull through 2 more. Then you're going to double crochet 7 more times down your chain. After you finish with your double crochets, then we're going to single crochet 16 times. To single crochet, you insert your crochet hook, pull a loop through, and then pull through those 2 loops. Next, you're going to double crochet 12 times down your chain. Single crochet 10 times. Double crochet 8 times. Single crochet 6 times. double crochet 4 times, single crochet 2 times, and after your second single crochet you should have reached the end of your chain. The next thing you're going to do is to chain 2, so pull a loop through twice, then you're going to slip stitch into that last chain, and so you pull a loop through and then pull through again, and in order to finish off you simply pull one more loop through, then you can cut yourself a tail, give a tug on your crochet hook to pull that tail through. So we flipped back and forth between single and double crochets. This is how you're going to know where to fold your tree over. So every time you switch from a double crochet to a single crochet, that's where you want to start to wrap your chain up to look kind of like a snake in a way. And then I'm going to insert my beads. I'll show you here. So I have 2 rows together for each place where I'm going to insert a bead. With the hemp that I do have, I'm going to use the one that is the second thinnest. I'm going to cut it by folding it in half, and then make sure that it's long enough. You can just lay it across your tree so you know that it will go all the way from the top through to the bottom, and you want to make sure you have enough that you can make a little loop at the top for it to hang on the tree. The first thing I'm going to do is tie a knot at the top where I want my loop to be for my ornament to be able to hang on the tree. Then I'm going to take both of those pieces of the hemp and put it through my tapestry needle. After that, I'm going to insert my tapestry needle in through the center of each of my rows for the double and single crochet. So first through the top 2, and then I can take my first bead and go through that before I go through the next 2. I'm going to add 2 beads once I get through to the end here in order to make it look like our tree has a stump. After that, you can tie a knot in your hemp so the beads and everything won't slide off. And I cut my hemp just a little bit shorter, and then I separate it so it looks kind of more like roots of the tree. And the last thing you have to do is weave in your tails. So you want to go back and forth a few times to weave those ends in and make sure they don't come out. If you left really long tails like I happen to, then you might want to cut some off before you start weaving back and forth. And now you should have a beautiful Christmas tree ornament that you could give as a gift or hang on your tree. Well, thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed creating this Christmas tree ornament. And if you did, make sure you like and subscribe this video for more videos just like this one.